morning, welcome to Go Yvonne. It is 7:30 and I am here in some small Chinese town in the countryside. I have no clue where. We have been driving for about an hour and a half now, and we're going to go to some grasslands. That's where we're heading. And now we have a bathroom break and it's pretty cold here. This is our car that we've been driving in, and it's good that we changed the car. They were planning on having a normal car at first, but then we changed it, which is good because the roads are not so great. Drone. Can you see it? We arrived in the grasslands. I don't know which grasslands, and it's very remote. There's like nothing here, but it's so pretty. It's so beautiful. The mountains around the grass, and then just earlier we saw horses coming, like leaving the town, and a group of horses coming into the town. I think they went there. And there in the back is another group of horses coming. It's so pretty. And maybe I'm even gonna go horse riding for a little bit, just for some nice shots, because that's what you can do here as well. I'm so lucky that I was chosen to do this documentary with them, because now I get to see this, and this is like a place nobody else can go. You can't just go here if you're traveling to China on your own. You have to have a car, and you can't have a car if you don't have a Chinese driver's license. So you have to have a residence permit. So yeah, I'm really lucky. So pretty. Yeah. There he goes. Wow, look at that one there. Whoa, look at this guy. Wow. sunglasses. It's not really sunny, but it's very bright, so I put on my sunglasses. And the horses just cross the street here, like behind me. And it's so cool to see them all like trotting and coming down. Asked the people who own the horses how they use them. And back in the day, they trained the horses for the army, and so after the horses got their training, they would give the horses or sell the horses to the army. Now they just have them to graze on the grasslands. Oh, here they come. This was the first part of the day where we explored the grasslands and saw all the cows and the horses. After this, we hit the roads again and drove all the way to the Danxia Landforms. So make sure to stick around a little bit longer so you can see the preview for the next episode. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did so, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and make sure to subscribe so you can see all the other episodes as well.